Hello students, welcome to Price YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject intelligent test and the topic is position in queue. This is very important topic. So in this one we are going to see the exercise 8.1 which is available in our Navneet digest. The exercise 8.1 which is available on page number 198. So this is our Navneet digest. If you have another Navneet digest, please either purchase this one or listen carefully what is the questions. Okay, so question number 1 is there: four men standing ahead of each woman in a queue for railway ticket. So question number 1, four men. Okay, so how many men? Four men are standing ahead of each woman. Okay, so there is the each woman in a queue for railway ticket. If queue has 28 men, how many persons are there in a queue? Likewise, means after a woman, again there is a man, there are the four men, again the one woman, and there are the four men. Okay, so like this one. So up to this one, there are the last one means 28. Okay, and the first one is here. Okay, so that is the meaning. So there are the total 28 men's are there. Okay, so men's are the total 28. Now here, 1 2 3, so these three positions up to this one, 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 12 is comes like this one. So how many men's are there means row, we can say the counting of the group. Okay, so in this group, one woman and the one woman and the four men's are there. Now if we divide 28 by the 4, means that is the 7. So there are the 7 like these groups. Okay, so means again here one woman. Okay, another one man and the woman. So there are the 4 men and the one woman like this one. So this is 1 2 3 and 4, and like this one 7 groups are there, or we can see in a pattern wise. Okay, so if there are the 7, then the men will be counted as the 28. Okay, so total we have to count for this one, we have to count the total women also. So how many women? So there are the 7 groups, so 7 multiplied by one women in one group, so that is the one counting, so that is the 7. And then men are the 28 are there, so 28 plus this 7, so that is a 35. Means that is a, in this one in the queue total 35 persons are there. And question number 1, option number 3 is having the 35 mentioned, so option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 2, in a garden there are many rows as there are trees in each row. There are many rows, so if suppose there are the many rows. Okay, how many rows are there? That much of the trees in each row, that is the meaning. Okay, means suppose this is a garden, means like we can say that is a somewhat be like a square. Okay, means the number of the rows multiplied by each row having that much of the trees. If there are 20 trees in each row, so suppose there are the 20 trees in each row, this is one row like this one. So the counting of the trees in each row is the same as the number of the rows, means there are the 20 rows also. So how many trees are there in this garden? So to count the trees, 20 rows. Okay, multiply by in each row 20 trees, so that is a 20 multiplied by 20, that is a 400. So there are the 400 trees. So for question number 2, option number 3, 400 is the correct one. Then question number 3, in a queue, so we will solve here question number 3. In a queue, Vaishali is standing to Manohar's left side. So suppose here the Manohar. Okay, so this is a queue, this is Manohar. Vaishali is standing to Manohar's left side. Now Manohar's left side means this side. Okay, so suppose here the Vaishali V is there standing Manohar's left side, having 3 persons in between them one. So 3 persons in between them. So 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 3 persons are in between them. Manohar is at the 6th place from the right. He is the 6th place from the right. Okay, Vaishali is at the 10th place from the left end. Vaishali is 10th place from the left end. Priyanka is at the 8th place from the right end. Now Priyanka is at the from the right 8th. Now 6th is the Manohar place, 6 7 8. So 8th place is the Priyanka's, because there are the 3 person in between Manohar and the Vaishali as we know. So Manohar is at the 6, means after this one person means next to the Manohar, that is the 7th, and the next is the 8th. So 8 is the Priyanka from the right hand. So I will mention here the from the right hand. What position does Priyanka have from the left hand? From the left hand. So as we know, from the left, 10th is the Vaishali's, and after the Vaishali there is one person, two person, three person, and then Manohar position comes. Okay. Now here from after the Vaishali, that is the 11th, and the next one is the 12th. Now the 12th is the Priyanka is there from this side, and from this side 8th is also the Priyanka. So means Priyanka's position from the left hand is the 12th. So 12th is given in option number 2. So for question number 3, option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 4. In a queue, Manjari, who is at the 10th place, is standing at the 7th place behind Ameya. Okay, so in a queue, suppose this is a queue. Okay, then Manjari, suppose here the Manjari is having the 10th place. Okay, is standing at the 7th place behind Ameya. Means suppose here the Ameya A, from this one her position is 7th. Okay, 7th is there. Now how many persons standing between Ameya and the person at the first place? Now person at the first, so the persons in between this one, how many persons are standing in between this one? Now Manjari is at the 10th place, and Ameya's and in between the Manjari there are the 7 minus 1, means there are the 6 persons, means 10th minus 6 is the 4, and 4th before this one the third position is the Ameya. Okay, or Ameya's is 7, 10th Manjari's position is the 10th minus 7 is the third position is the Ameya's position, means this is from this one, then one person is from the second and one person is the first. So from the first there are the in between the Ameya and the first person, in between this only one person is there, means the second person, and one is given in option number 4. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 5. In an attendance sheet, Hemangi's roll number is 11 and Ajay's name is listed at the 18th place from the bottom. So suppose this is the attendance sheet. Hemangi H is at the 11th place. Okay, because roll number is 11, so it means 11th, that is the meaning. Then Ajay's name is listed at the 18th, but from the bottom 18th, this is Ajay. Then there are 26 persons listed between Hemangi and the Ajay. So this Hemangi and between Ajay there are the 26 persons listed in between this one. What is the roll number of the student who is listed at the center of the attendance? So the center one, or we can say the middle one, that person's roll number we have to find out. Okay, so for this one, how many persons that we have to count? Now Hemangi's roll number is 11th, means before this one, before Hemangi there are the 10 students, so 10 plus Hemangi's 1 counting, so 1, then plus after Hemangi 26 persons or 26 students, and then Ajay's listed, so Ajay's 1 counting plus, and after the Ajay there are the 17 students, because from the end or from the bottom Ajay's position, or we can say the name listed and on the 18th. Okay, so there are the 17th students after the Ajay, so that is the 17. So after this additions, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 10 is a 12, 12 plus this 26, that is a 38, 38 plus this 17 means 55. So there are the total 55 students are there. Now where to find out the middle ones? So 55 plus 1 divided by 2, so that is a 56 divided by 2, means there is a 28th place is there. Okay, so or we can say roll number 28. So 28 is given in option number 2. So for question number 5, option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 6. So here we will mention question number 6. 6 persons are standing between Vyomkesh and the Somesh in a queue. So here the Vyomkesh and here the Somesh. In between them, suppose these are the 2 persons, and in between these there are 6 persons are there. So there are the 6 persons in between them. Okay, so that is the meaning. Suppose Now Somesh is standing at the ninth place from one end, so suppose ninth from this end, okay, from this end. At which place is the Vyomkesh standing? So this this is the ninth from the one end. So ninth plus this 6, so that is a 9 plus this 6, that is a 15, okay. And after the 15 Vyomkesh is there, so means after one addition, the 16th place is the Vyomkesh. 16th place is the Vyomkesh from this end, okay. But we don't know about which end that is asking. Suppose this ninth, now another criteria, so this sixth place is standing from this end, okay. So we are saying 16th from this end, that is the one answer. Suppose this ninth is from this end, okay. Now we are not considering this criteria, we are considering the another criteria. 19th from this place means ninth minus 6, so there are the 3, so 9 minus this 6, so there are the third place after the Vyomkesh, means after the minus 1 means second place is the Vyomkesh place from this end, okay. Again I am repeating, second place from this end, that is the meaning. So second place from this end. So if this criteria is considered, so the answer is second from this end, so that is also the answer, means from this end 16th and from this end the second, okay. So the answer second and the 16th is given in option number 4. So for question number 6, option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 7, Abdul is at the 13th place in the queue. So suppose this is a queue. Now suppose here the Abdul A is there 13th, okay, 13th place in the queue. There are 5 persons between Abdul and the Wilson. Now this directions is not given for the 13th, so we will assume from this one. The 13th place from these positions, and between Abdul and the Wilson there are the 5 persons, but Wilson which direction that we don't know. Suppose Wilson is somewhere here, okay, so Wilson here, and in between this one there are the 5 persons are there, okay. How many persons are standing in a queue? 13 plus 5, 13 plus 5 and plus 1, so means after 13 if we add the 5, so before the Wilson's that person's position will come. So for the Wilson, so after this one addition, so means 13 plus 5 plus 1, so that is the 19th place is the Wilson, so 19th from this end, okay. So now suppose this is the one criteria, and one condition is there, Wilson is the middle person. Now middle person is the Wilson. Now middle's position in this criteria is 19. So how many persons are there? So suppose middle is the 19 and this is 1, so total plus 1 divided by 2 is equals to 19. So after this solving, this total we have to count. So 19 multiplied by 2, okay, minus 1, this minus 1 will be shifted, so this is 38 minus 1, so there are the 37 persons, so that is a one criteria, 37. So if we are considering from this end 13, okay. Now we are considering another criteria, so means 13 is from this side and then Wilson is this side, okay. So now in this position 13 minus 5, so 13 minus 5, so there are the 8, okay. So 8 and then minus 1, so that is a 17th. Again we have to, because there is the in between 5 person, in between means after this 5 person there is a Wilson's, means after this next one means the 7th is the Wilson. So here the 7th is the Wilson's position. Now Wilson is as the middle one, so middle ones is the 7th and then total plus 1 by 2. So this formula we will use. So 7 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 minus 1. So there are the 13 students, 13 persons if we are considering 13 from this end. Means there are either 37 or either 13. So that is the criteria. And in option, if you see for question number 7, so option number 4 is given 13 or 37, so that is a perfectly. So for question number 7, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 8 is there. In a hall 25 chairs are arranged as per the order of rainbow color. So for the question number 8, I just note down here for question number 8. Now rainbow colors in the order. Okay, so what is the rainbow color? So that is a, so suppose from the inner side of the, suppose this is a rainbow. Okay, so from the inner side, if you count the order, so that is a Vibgyor. Okay, so that is a Vibgyor, but order is mentioning, so we will consider this order means from this left side. So means inner is the V, outer is the R, means from this side. Okay, so means ROY, then G, and then BIV. So this is the order perfectly for the one counting. Okay, this is just for the inner side to the outer side, this Vibgyor. So now after this one means this is the first is R, and then seventh is the V, like this one. Then in further asking about the in question, then in this series a chair of which color will occur between the chair 15th from the left side, so 15th from the left side, and ninth from the right side. From the right side, ninth chair. In between this one, which chair having the color? That is the meaning. Okay, so there are total 25 chairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like this one up to the 7 means V, and this R, O, Y, then G, B, I. Okay, 5, 6. Now after this 7, okay, so next 8 will be here, 8, 9, 10, up to this one 14. After this one 15, again the red will comes. Okay, 15, 16, and then up to the 21, then 22, 23, 24, and 25. Sorry, 25. So G is for the 25 at the end, that we are find outing. Okay, so from the 15th, from this one means from this one 15th is this one. Okay, and then from the 9th from the left means from this side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 16th. Okay, so 19th, 9th is the 17. Okay, so from the right 15th, and from the left this 17 means this is the 19th from the left side. In between these two there is the 16th from the right one. Okay, so that color change means orange should be there, that is the meaning. Okay, in this one, so orange is given in option number 2. Now question number 9. In a queue, Kavita's position is 20th from the start. So for the question number 9, in the queue, Kavita K is 20th position from the start. So suppose we are start means from the left always be, and 32nd from the last. So from this end 32nd. In the same queue, Manisha is standing behind Suvarna, who is standing in the middle position of the row. So now, Suvarna is something suppose here, but at the middle one. Okay, Manisha is standing behind Suvarna, who is standing in the middle position of the row. If between Suvarna and Manisha there are the 10 girls, so behind means suppose here somewhere the Manisha is there. Suppose first just guess here the Manisha, and in between this one there are the 10 girls, means between Suvarna and the Manisha. Then what will be the order of Manisha from the last one? First of all, we will count Suvarna's middle number. So for this one, reference is the Kavita's position. So Kavita's position from this side 20th means there are the 27 girls this side, and from this end 32 means there are the 31 girls from this side. So 27 plus 31 plus Kavita's one counting, so that is the 1. So 27 plus this 31, so that is a 58, and plus 1 means 59. So there are the total 59 girls are there. Okay, so middle position means 59 plus 1 by 2, so that is the 60 by 2, means 30th place is the Suvarna place. Okay, so that is the 30th. Now after this 30th there are the 10 girls are there. Okay, between Manisha and the Suvarna. So 30 plus 10, so that is the 40, and plus 1 means 41th place is the Manisha's. Or if suppose Manisha is this side, okay, Manisha is this side, then 30 minus this 10, because 10 girls are in between them. Okay, 10 and minus 1, so 30 minus 10 is a 20, 20 minus 1 is the 19th, so 19th, either 41th or 19th. Okay, 41th is not mentioned, means these directions is incorrectly, only these directions, because 19th is mentioned. So option number 4 is the correct. Now question number 10. In the queue for a bus, there are 18% ahead and 10% behind Sanju. So suppose Sanju is here, 18% are this side, means from this side 19th position of the Sanju, and 10 plus 10 persons are behind, means here the 10 persons, means from this end Sanju's 11th place, that is the meaning. Okay, so he is the Sanju. Now what is the position of 15th person from the back of the queue? So what is the position? Suppose there is a 15th persons from the back side. Okay, so 15th is from this side, so we have to count from the back side. So first of all, Sanju's position is here 19. So there are how many students, how many persons? So 18 plus 1 Sanju plus this 10. So sorry, here the 10. So 18 plus 10, 28 plus 1, 29 persons are there total. And for the middle one, 29 plus 1 by 2 means that is a 30 by 2 means 15. So middle one is the 15. Okay, so middle one is the 15. So now 15 from this side and this side also, and asking in a question the 15th person from the back side, that is the same place, means the 15th also. Okay, because there are the 15th is the middle one. So for the question number 10, 15th is the question number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 11. Some students are standing for parade. In number of queues, there are as many number of queues as there are the number of students in each queue. So means parade, and there are the queue. Okay, so how many queues are there? That much of the same number is having the students in one queue. Okay, means this counting in of students in one queue, that counting is the same equal to the counting of the queue. That is the meaning. Then in each queue, total 800 hands, 800 hands are there. Okay, hands means how many students? One student having the two hands, so divided by 2 means there are the 400 students. Okay, so how many students are there in each queue? Now in each queue, so 400 means total student, because there is a total hands 800. Now this counting in a one queue, okay, is equals to number of here the queue. So this A, suppose number of the queue and number of the students in each queue is the same. So A multiplied by A multiplied by A, we are getting the 400, because there are the total 400 students. Now A square is equals to 400, means A is equals to 20, because 20 square is the 400. So A is 20, means in a one queue there are the 20 students, and 20 students is given in option number 3. So for question 11, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 12. 42 boxes of paint are arranged in specific order in shop. There are 3 boxes of red paint to the right side. So total 42 boxes. Now 3 boxes, so 1 2 3 are red paint. So this is red, this is red, and this is red. To the right side, means suppose to the right side, and 2 boxes of green paint to the left side of each box of blue paint, means each box means there is a one blue paint. Okay, blue paint's right side this one, and blue paint's left side means this one. These 2 boxes are the green, so that is the arrangement. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so there are the 6 boxes total. Okay, now which paint box is at the 14th place in this series? Now there are the 42 boxes total, and this arrangement is pattern wise. Okay, there are the 6 patterns. In one pattern there are the 6 paint boxes. Okay, so 42 minus this 6, so there are the 7 patterns. Okay, so means this person, after this counting, this is first, so this is 6th, this is 7th, so this is 12th, like this one. So up to this one, this is the 42s. Okay, 42nds, this one. Okay, 42nd, then we will reversely come, this is 41s. Okay, and then after reversely this is the 40th. Okay, and asking about the 40th, so that is the red one, so red color box. So that is option number 3 is the correct one for question number 12. Now question number 13. In a periphery of circular garden, 8 trees with mango, jamun, tamarind, guava, apple, fig, coconut and the arsea are standing in the anti-clockwise order. So we will make an arrangement for this one. So suppose for question number 13, so circular garden, so this is circular garden, and anti-clockwise, so anti-clockwise means reverse position. So here, so suppose mango, so I will mention here the mango, okay, and then anti-clockwise, so in this directions, okay, anti-clockwise, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this is 8. So mango, then after this mango jamun is there, and then tamarind, after this one guava, then apple, then fig, then coconut and then arsica. So AR is there. Now these are in anti-clockwise, okay. So now beginning from the apple, so apple is here, so this is a beginning of the apple tree. Amol took 6 rounds anti-clockwise, so he is taking 6 rounds, sorry, anti-clockwise, this direction, not this direction, anti-clockwise. Then he walked 5 trees back, so he has taken this anti-clockwise, okay, means this direction he come, okay, and then he walked 5 trees back. Now these directions is anti-clockwise, means back means 5 trees means 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this Arsea, okay, so he is standing here. Again took 2 rounds anti-clockwise, means again he has took 2 rounds anti-clockwise. So again he, once he came here, walk 2 trees back. Now 1 and 2 trees back means he is coming here, because back means this direction, because he is taking anti-clockwise, okay. After 2 round he will come here, and then he has back 2 trees here, means he will come back here, 1 and 2 trees here means at the fig place. So asking about under which tree he is standing now. Now under the fig trees he is standing. So fig means option number 4 is the correct one. So question number 13, option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 14, so we will solve for question number 14 here. Question number 14, in a garland there are 11 red roses, so red are the 11, followed by the yellow flowers 4 times numbers of the red flowers, 4 times, no, followed by means y will be here, number of the 4 means 4 times, 11 multiplied 4 is the 44, okay. So this is the, we can say the sequence, okay. Then what is the serial number of the middle flower? So serial number of the middle flower, so there are the 11 plus this 44, so there are the 55, and middle, for the middle one counting 55 plus 1 by 2, so that is a 56 by 2, means that is a 28th. So 28, so 11, and after this one the yellow will be there, so means this place of the middle one is the 28th, and this is given in option number 2. Now question number 15, in a queue Poonam, who is 6th from the left, okay, so in a queue Poonam, P is 6th from the left, okay, this is left and this is right, suppose, and Hitesh, who is 13th from the right. Now Hitesh is 13th, okay, from the right. Interchange their positions if there are total 15 persons in a queue. So now total 15 persons in a queue, at what place the Poonam standing from the Hitesh? Now if there are the total 15, okay, so there are the total 15 persons, okay, and Hitesh is from the 13th from the this end, okay, from this end, and Poonam is from this end is the 16, means Hitesh will be here, not will be here, okay. So he is the 13th from these positions, Hitesh is there, and 6th is from this one. So means 13th is from this side, and there are the total 15th, means last one is the 15th persons. After this one, the one person in here, which is the 14th, and then Hitesh will comes. Means from this end, Hitesh is a third position. That is the meaning. First, second, and third. Okay. After the third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth is the Poonam. So 1, 2 are there, and the third means from the after the Hitesh, first, second, and third. So after the Hitesh, third position is the Poonam, and third position from the left. Okay, from the left, that is the correctly meaning. So that is given in third place to the left, means that is the option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 16. A, B, C, D, E are neighbors but not in the same order. E stays between B and D. So we will solve here question number 16. So the condition is there, E stays between B and D. So suppose B and the D here, and in between this one E never is there. Now C stays at the left end of the A. Now C is the left end of this A. So A and the left end, here the end is there C. A and D are not neighbor. So A and D are not neighbor. Yes, here the condition is same. Who is the staying at the center? Now in this one B is at the center. Okay. Now another condition also, suppose C, A is here. Before this one D suppose here and the B is here. Means B and D in between this one the E is there, and the C is at the left end, and which is at the left of this A. But in this condition D and A are in neighbor. So this condition also we have to follow, that these two are not in neighbor, so means adjacent. So this condition should not be considered, means B, E, D this is the correct positions, and the C, A in at the left end. So as per this one the B neighbor is the middle one, and B is given in option number 2. So for question number 16 option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 17. So question number 17. If the electrical pole are erected at 60-meter distance on 1.5 kilometer long road on both side, that is the meaning. Suppose this is a road, okay, and the center line of this road, okay. So total 15.5 kilometer, or we can say 1500 meter. Okay, after this multiply with 1000 to this kilometer, this will become, now this is the length 15 kilometer, so this is also the 15 kilometer from this one, both end. Okay, this side one and this side one. Okay, then asking how many poles will be erected. So 61 pole means first pole and second pole, there are the 60-meter distance, second to third there are the again 60 meter. Okay, like this one. So one side how many pole, that we will count. So 1500 divided by the 60, so 0101 6 1 and this is a 25. So 25 and plus 1, but the end one also we have to count, means we have up to here we have count 25 because the multiplying with this 60. Okay, so means the meaning is here the division, means here the multiplication while counting. So 25 here, but the end one we have to count as a 1. So that is a 26 poles in this direction. But asking about the both, means here also the 26. So 26 plus 26, that is a 52 total electric pole. So 52 given in option number 4. Then for the question number 18, we will solve the question number 18 here. Now a yellow flower at the beginning of the garland is followed by 6 red flower. Okay, so one yellow flower. Okay, after this one the 6 red flowers. Okay, then one yellow flower, 5 red, again one yellow, then 5 red. Okay, then 5 red, then one yellow flower, again one yellow flower, and then 4 red flowers, like this one. So at the last one, then red 3, then again red 1, then yellow 1, then red 2, yellow 1, red 1, like this one. If there are total 27 flowers, how many yellow flowers are there? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are the 6 yellow flower, and then 6 we will add this only. Okay, so red flowers. So total 6 plus 5 plus this 4, 15 plus this 5, 20, and plus this 1 is a 21. So means, and this yellow are we have counted 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are the at the end also one yellow, so that is the 1. So these are the, no 6, so this should not be 6, means 21 red and plus this 6 are the yellow, so there are the 27 flowers. So this condition is correctly. Now how many yellow flowers? So there are the 6 yellow flowers is there. Okay, so means total we have to make the 27. So 6 yellow is given in option number 2. Then question number 19, we will solve the question number 19 here. Then 40 soldiers are standing in a row at the distance 2 meter each other. So 2 meter each other. So there are the 40 soldiers. What is the distance between the 12th and the 23rd soldier? So 12th and the 23rd, in between this one, what is the distance? So 23rd minus this 12, so there are the 11, and the distance between the two soldiers is 2 meter, so multiply by this 2 meter, so there are the 22 meter total distance in between 12th and the 23rd. So 22 is given in option number 1. Now question number 20. In a garden, the rows of plant rose, lily, hibiscus, jasmines, marigold are planted in a same order. So means suppose the rose, this is the rose of the rose row, then after this one the lily L, then the next row is the hibiscus H, after this one the next row of the flower jasmine. Okay, after this one the next row for the marigold. So in this one there are 5 plants in each row, so there are the 5 in each row, means the middle one is the third one, here the 2, here the 2, and this one, so there are the 5 in each row. Okay, then which place is at the center? So at the center hibiscus. Okay, and in these positions, okay, hibiscus is there, sir, and in this one also the third middle one is the, this one is the hibiscus, because this complete row is for the hibiscus, so the middle one or the center one is the hibiscus, and this is given in option number 3. So for question number 20, option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 21, we will solve question number 21 here. Now on a 300-meter long highway, street lights are standing each at a distance of 15 meter. So 300-meter long highway, the electrical light standing distance of the 15 meter. So here the distance between two electrical light, so this is light and this is light also, so distance between them is the 15 meter. Then how many street lights are there on the highway? So 300 divided by this 15, so that is a 20, plus and also we have to add, so that is a 1, so means 21 electrical light are there. So for question number 21, option number 2 having the 21, so option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 22, two parallel rows of trees are standing at the, here we will solve the question number 22. Two parallel rows of trees are standing at the two edge of the road. So this is a row. Okay, so this is the middle way of this one. So two parallel rows of the trees, so these two parallel rows of the trees are standing at the two edge of the road. If the middle tree is corresponding to the 15th place, so here the middle is the 15th. Okay, 15th place, how many trees are there? Okay, so here also the 15th place. Okay, so here how many trees are there, that we have to count. So 15th is the middle one. Okay, if this is a 15th is the middle one. Okay, 50 is equals to middle of this total plus 1 by 2. Okay, 50 multiplied by 2 is 100, and this plus 1 is here, that will be minus 1 this side, so that is the total. So means 99 is equals to this, find out the total. So here the 99 and here the 99, so 99 plus this 99 is equals to 198. So means there are the total 198 trees are there, with including both the sides. So means for the question number 22, option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 23, so question number 23 is here. Now in a queue, a boy is followed by a girl, so one boy and then one girl. After this one, two boys, four girls, so two boys, so this 2 is here, 1, two boys followed with 4 girls, so girls are the 4. Then 3 boys and 9 girls, so 9 girls. So like this one, The last group of the boys has 5 boys. Sorry, this is the boys, 5 boys. And what is the total number of the persons in the queue? So there are the girls. So suppose this pattern, if you see this pattern, 1 and 1 here, 2 and 4, 3 and 9 is here, means the number of boys, that number square having that much of the counting of the girls. So here 2 square is a 4, 3 square is a 9. Likewise then B having the 4 boys, so girls should be there 16 girls. Then the last means 5 boys, and then girls should be 5 square is a 25. So there are the total we have to count. So total means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So this is the triangular number of the 5, or we can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus this 5. So there are the 15 boys, and the girls 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus this 25. So that is a 55. So 55 and this one 7. So total is the 70. So total 70 is given in option number 4. Then question number 24. So question number 24. 43 vehicles are parked in a order Jeep. So Jeep is there. After this one motor car. After this one auto rickshaw, and then cycle, and followed by the same order. Okay. So in the same order, this same order were followed again and again and again. Okay, up to the end. Which vehicle appear at the 26th place? So 26th place we have to find out which vehicle is there. Now this is a group of the 4 vehicles. Okay, and this same is order is repeating. So we will do the 26 divided by 4. So that is a 4 6 are 24. Okay, so that is a 24. Okay, after multiplying this one means there is a 2 is remainder. Okay, 2 remainder means we can say after each this repetition group there is a, after 24 the last one will be the car, then 25th this one, and 26th, so means motor car. So motor car means option number 1 is the correct for question number 24. Then question number 25. Manali, Sanket, Rehna, Joy and Chitra are standing on a stairs. Okay, so suppose this is the 1 2 3 then 4 and then 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and there are Manali, Sanket, Rehna, Joy and 5 persons. Okay, Joy is standing adjacent to the Manali on upper stair. Okay, so Joy is at the upper case with a Manali adjacent to the this Manali. So this is Manali and he is Joy. Now there are the 2 persons between Manali and the Rehna. So 2 persons between Manali and the Rehna. This Manali and the Rehna between 2 persons, so 1 and 2. So means Rehna is here. Okay, that is the meaning. Then Sanket and Chitra are adjacent stairs. So Sanket and the Chitra. So Sanket and here the Chitra are adjacent. Now this is the completely in orders as per the mention. Now who are standing on the stairs? The second from the top, from the second from the top as well as bottom respectively. Second from the top is the Manali, and from the bottom is the first and the second is the Chitra. Okay, so Manali and the Chitra means option number 4 is the correct one for question number 25. Option number 4 is the correct one. Thank you.